Hi and welcome. In this video I want to show you a really cool navigation technique for getting around your image when you're working really close in, when you're zoomed in doing some detail work. And it's called the bird's eye view. And I'm telling you, once you've used it, you'll not go back. You won't. Now I hope you like the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up or leave a comment under the video. And please click that subscribe button. It does help me reach more people with my training videos. Find me on Facebook at LiveLink Training. And please give me a like. It would really be appreciated. Okay, let's dig deep and let's dig in. My name's Ken Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. Okay, here we are in an image, and let's imagine we've zoomed in to do some detail work with cloning and healing or some such like. And we can zoom in loads of different ways. We can use Control and plus or Control and minus to zoom us in. Or we can spacebar drag, and then we could go and use the zoom tool to zoom us right in tight to do some detail work. And when I finish this, I'm a bit lost. Well, which bit am I looking at? Where am I? And of course I can spacebar drag across, but or I can flick pan. That's going to take quite a while and it can be quite difficult. Now this is absolutely brilliant. It's called the bird's eye view. Now I prefer to call it the helicopter view because they're in the same place, they're up in the sky, aren't they? And it helps me to remember the keyboard shortcut, which is H, so H for helicopter. So if I press the H key now, and then I hold my left mouse button down and click, it crashes out to 100%. And I've got this little box here, little preview area, and I just move it to where I want to be, let go of the H key, let go of the mouse key, and I'm zoomed in right where I need to be. Okay, I do a little bit more work there. I press the H key again and I want to work down here, and there I am. And I'll do it once more if I want to go across the other side of the image, and this is great for panoramas. H key, click over this side, let go, and I'm there. I'm ready to go. Well, that's it for this video. A really cool technique for navigating around when you're zoomed in doing some detail work. I do hope you found it useful. If you did, please share it around with your friends. Give me a thumbs up or leave a comment under the video on YouTube. And please click that subscribe button to help me reach more Photoshop and Lightroom users. Look me up on Facebook at LiveLink Training and give me page a like. It would always be appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.